Welcome back to our channel. Get ready for a super cute squishy surprise. A mystery box is waiting to be opened, and we're about to discover the adorable squishy hiding inside. But before we start, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more amazing video. Let's get started. Which squishy surprise will you unwrap today? Fantastic choice! You picked a super cute surprise! Which mystery squishy box are you picking first? Perfect choice! This squishy is full of adorable vibes. Which squishy friend is waiting inside? Great choice! A lovely surprise is waiting for you. Which squishy would you love to open right now? Awesome pick! You found a really special squishy. Which surprise squishy will you choose today? Wonderful choice! This one is absolutely adorable. Which squishy box has your favorite one inside? Excellent pick! Get ready for a cute surprise reveal. Which adorable squishy are you hoping to find? Brilliant choice! This squishy is a lucky find. Which mystery squishy should we open next? Super choice! You picked an amazing mystery surprise. Which squishy surprise would you grab first? Lovely pick! This squishy looks extra special. Which squishy is your lucky pick today? Perfect pick! Your squishy surprise adventure begins now. Which squishy surprise will you unwrap today? Great pick! This could be your new favorite squishy. Which mystery squishy box are you picking first? Nice choice! You selected a super adorable surprise. Which squishy friend is waiting inside? Lucky pick! Something cute is waiting inside. Which squishy would you love to open right now? Smart choice! This squishy is a wonderful discovery. Which surprise squishy will you choose today? Wow, great choice! You found a cute mystery treasure. Which squishy box has your favorite one inside? Fantastic choice! You picked a super cute surprise. Which adorable squishy are you hoping to find? Perfect choice! This squishy is full of adorable vibes. Which mystery squishy should we open next? Great choice! A lovely surprise is waiting for you. Which squishy surprise would you grab first? Awesome pick! You found a really special squishy. Which squishy is your lucky pick today? Wonderful choice! This one is absolutely adorable. Which squishy surprise will you unwrap today? Excellent pick! Get ready for a cute surprise reveal. Which mystery squishy box are you picking first? Brilliant choice! This squishy is a lucky find. Which squishy friend is waiting inside? Super choice! You picked an amazing mystery surprise. Which squishy would you love to open right now? Lovely pick! This squishy looks extra special. Which surprise squishy will you choose today? Perfect pick! Your squishy surprise adventure begins now. Which squishy box has your favorite one inside? Great pick! This could be your new favorite squishy. Which adorable squishy are you hoping to find? Nice choice! You selected a super adorable surprise. Which mystery squishy should we open next? Lucky pick! Something cute is waiting inside. Wow, what an adorable surprise! That was such a fun squishy reveal. Tell us your favorite squishy in the comments, hit the like button, and subscribe for more exciting mystery box openings and cute surprises. See you in the next unboxing adventure!